Alright. Hi.
Hi. Car's beeping at me because it wants to be annoying.
Yeah, I think it just beeps because it can.
Yeah. Alright.
So, as you can see, we're off the lift and actually moving.
We made it out the driveway. And it's not vibrating. I'm going to drive it docile.
Yeah, so I got a break in the clutch, Grant.
Yeah, no John Force burnouts for the first 1,000 miles, Grant.
Can you go 1,000 miles without doing that?
Hell no.
Could you? If you own this thing?
If I own this thing, no.
Go at least 500 grand.
Yeah, come on, give us a little love here. All right, we're in third right now. Squirrel. Wait, is that a Bertone? I'm being a child. I like cars.
Oh, I see.
It is a Bertone. Oh, yeah, baby. That's cool. Okay, moving on. Sorry, I got distracted.
Come on, you didn't see the Ford Focus with the sports stickers all over it down there?
Was that a Focus or I thought it was a Civic?
No, it was a Focus.
Yeah,
I know, that's a rare one.
They all look the same.
It's usually just Civics. Anything that Honda makes.
First. Second. Third. Go down Gene Autry. Feels pretty good.
It hadn't stumbled taking off or...
Oh, Mr. Bitches. Mr. Bitches. Mr. Bitches. You drive good, Mr. Bitches.
That felt pretty good.
It's in the fifth.
Is this a 6-speed?
Yeah. Now we're in sixth. Cruising along, minding our own business. Don't pull a Jimmy and go fifth second. Hopefully Jimmy sees this video so he can bitch about it in the comments.
And then we can play Where's Waldo with the piston.
What piston? It was like that when he got it. He definitely needs to be broken in because it's like when you let off the clutch, it's like
Yeah.
a little bit. But part of that's probably me not used to driving Grant's car. Like I'm sure it'll feel different for Grant.
Yeah, I mean, he's put 100-something thousand miles on this.
Yeah, he's been driving this car for years.
Yeah.
So. Shut up, car. Quit beeping at me.
But, anyways, so clutch feels good, and that's the summary.
Yeah.
About
Send it, baby.
a day, and then we're all good.
Yeah.
So, we'll see you guys later.